Hi everybody, this is Rick here, and welcome to Digital Fortress. In today's episode, I need to address a recent development that occurred with Cardano was removed from Wikipedia. Now, this was first flagged about 10 months ago. Charles Hoskinson had put some information on Wikipedia, on Reddit about that it was flagged, and apparently nothing had been done since then, so it has since been removed. As you guys know, in my Digital Fortress channel here, I cover a lot of different cryptocurrencies, but I do have a strong affinity for Cardano. It's one of my favorites, but I do touch on other cryptocurrencies. So just so you guys know, I lean towards Cardano. Most of you know that. So I wanted to alert the Cardano community that this has occurred, and that there's an ongoing Reddit discussion. That's where it was first brought up, was on Reddit. What I'm going to do is pull up that discussion and then compare it to some other cryptocurrencies that are covered by Wikipedia. I'm going to pull up on the screen behind me. It might not be a perfect view, but you'll get the general idea of where we're looking here. On Reddit, so a user there posted that Cardano was deleted on Wikipedia. They made this post 3 days ago, and they go on to explain some of the details about why it was deleted. There's good information there if you go there and take a look. But what we need is community members who know Wikipedia well. I do not. I don't know how to get an article reposted to Wikipedia. I think there are people over there on Reddit who do. So if you are an expert on Wikipedia and you're a member of the Cardano community, I'm asking you if you could go over there and take a look, and maybe you can help us get Cardano posted back up on Wikipedia, because I think it's very important to be on such a useful source of information as Wikipedia. Let's take a look at a few other pages here as I mouse over. Now bear with me because I'm looking at it with a little bit of lag and reverse on my screen. So Ethereum has a Wikipedia page. Theirs is good to go. Part of the reason that Cardano was deleted is because the references weren't good enough, or something with the backing of the content wasn't good enough. So there's a lot of reference links down at the bottom of the page, and it needs a lot of credible sources, is what I've read from the Reddit. So take a look on the Reddit and take a look at that, and look at the sources that are linked down in the bottom of Wikipedia, and maybe make a comparison there. I know I have basically I have an opinion on those sources. Some of the sources are good on the coins that have been around for a while with Bitcoin and Ethereum, but most of the sources in cryptocurrency, a lot of them are the same. It's just a matter of having more sources of similar types of information, but what Wikipedia is looking for is more credible sources. You'll see that in the Reddit discussion. But as you'll notice here, Ethereum Classic is also up on Wikipedia. Monero. Who else do we have here? EOS. I pulled up a few other pages. EOS has a Wikipedia page. Dogecoin has a Wikipedia page, and apparently these other communities have invested some time and effort. So hopefully the Cardano Foundation can get involved with this. I think they are. I've seen a few comments that they may be involved with helping getting this back up and running. But, you know, anyone in the community that wants to work on this, feel free to contribute your efforts and volunteer some time. You can see Aurora Coin. So there are some coins that they're kind of low on coin market cap, but coin market cap doesn't determine, you know, whether or not it can go on Wikipedia. So there are some coins that are not so far up the list that do have their pages. And in my last example here's Steemit, ranked down there around number 50 on CoinMarketCap. On Wikipedia, their page is flagged. Now, it doesn't look like it's flagged for deletion like the Cardano page was, but it says it may or may not meet Wikipedia's general notability guidelines. So they do have kind of like a disclaimer on there, or some, you know, a statement. Whereas with Cardano, this is a screen capture I'm going to kind of blow up here. You know, with Cardano, it got deleted, and the user on Reddit who started the post 3 days ago tried to resubmit, and it immediately got removed again. So it's going to take some more work. Apparently that's what it looks like whenever the page gets deleted or it's slated for deletion. And one other thing I'd like to point out, so the Cardano community needs to put in some effort. Cardano Foundation needs to put in some effort to try to get this page back up. But also, you know, maybe hold Wikipedia accountable. Like, we hold ourselves accountable, but, you know, Wikipedia, I hope they're applying the same standards they apply to Cardano, to all of these other tokens that are still up on Wikipedia. And when the new Cardano page goes up, I know it's going to be great because of all the research-based effort that goes into building the Cardano ecosystem. And there are a lot of really good articles out there that are both critical of Cardano and supportive of Cardano. It's just a matter of, are they on the right platforms? I don't know. But I think if the community becomes more aware and gets a little bit more involved, then we'll have a successful and probably one of the best Wikipedia pages back up. That's all I wanted to do today, is make you guys aware of what's going on, throw some ideas out there. If you also have some ideas, let me know in the comments down below. And I think it would also help to, if you go on Reddit, if you understand Wikipedia well and you can help out with the effort there, you can go to the Cardano subreddit, and also possibly on Telegram, get a little bit of discussion going there also. That's all I have for you today. Just kind of like a boost to the community and say, come on guys, let's get out there and get that Wikipedia going. And also question, if you're going to hold Cardano to that standard, are you holding everybody to that standard as well? Thanks for watching Digital Fortress. That's all I have for you for now. Y'all have a great day. Don't forget to click like and subscribe below. If you want to see more of these videos, use the bell. Take care. Bye-bye.